Today, we're going to walk through, step by step, exactly how to change the programming code on your Honeywell or Tru-Bolt keypad lock. It's simpler than you might think, and I'm here to make sure you get it right the first time. So, if you're ready to take control of your lock's security, let's dive right in. Alright, before we get started, grab your lock and make sure you've got your current programming code handy. If you don't know it, don't worry. We'll talk about the default code and what to do if you're stuck later on. This process is generally very similar across most Honeywell and Tru-Bolt keypad lock models, but remember, always double check your specific user manual if anything seems off. Step 1. Get ready to program. The first thing you need to do is wake up your lock's keypad. Simply touch any button on the keypad and you should see it light up. Now, we need to tell the lock that we're about to make a change to its master programming. You're going to enter your current 6-digit programming code. This is the key that unlocks the programming features of your lock, so go ahead and key that in. Step 2. Activating programming mode. Once you've entered your current programming code, you'll need to press the unlock button. On most Honeywell and Tru-Bolt locks, this is a dedicated button, often with a padlock icon or just labeled unlock. This tells the lock, hey, I'm authorized and I want to change something. Now here's where we tell it what we want to change. After pressing the unlock button, immediately press the number 4 and then press the unlock button again. Think of 4 as the specific command for change programming code. If you've done this correctly, you should get some feedback from the lock, maybe a series of beeps, or the keypad lights might flash. This confirms you're now in programming mode, ready to input your new code. Step 4. Entering your new programming code. This is the exciting part. You're going to enter your new 6-digit programming code. Take your time here. Choose something secure, but also memorable for you. Avoid obvious sequences like 1, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, or your birthday. Once you've entered that new code, press the unlock button again. This locks in the first entry of your new code. Step 5. Confirming your new code. To ensure accuracy and prevent accidental changes, the lock needs you to confirm your new code. So, go ahead and re-enter that exact same new 6-digit code you just put in. And for the final confirmation, press the unlock button one last time. Confirmation. Success. If all went well, you should hear a long confirming beep and see a green flash from your lock's indicator light. That's your lock telling you, fantastic job! Your new programming code is now active. It's a good idea to test it out immediately. Try using your new programming code to lock and unlock the door to make sure everything's working as expected. Now, a couple of quick but crucial notes to keep in mind. The default code. If you're setting up a brand new lock, or you factory reset it, the default programming code is usually 110.35456. If you're unsure of your current programming code, this is a good place to start. User codes versus programming code. Remember, the programming code is like the master key for the lock settings. Once you've changed it, you can then go on to add, delete, or modify individual user codes that your family or guests will use for daily entry. We'll cover user codes in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed. Battery power is key. Always ensure your lock has fresh batteries when you're doing any programming. Low battery power can cause all sorts of funky issues and might prevent the programming from taking effect correctly. If you're running into problems, new batteries are often the first thing to check. Model variations and manuals. While these steps are widely applicable, some specific Honeywell or Tru-Bolt models might have slight variations. If these steps don't seem to work for your particular lock, always consult your lock's user manual. It's your best friend in these situations. As a last resort, a factory reset might be necessary, but that will wipe all codes, so keep that in mind.